Hello guys, I want to show you how to make good screen record like this with your phone. Now my phone has an inbuilt screen recorder, okay, which is this. But if your phone does not have inbuilt screen recorder like this, then you need an app. To do that, you go to your Play Store and you download screen recording app. Say screen record. Now let me teach you this control panel screen recorder. Okay, this one. Install it. Open. Turn on control center. Click OK. Display over other apps. All right, you look for it here under this control center. And you mark it. Go back. Go back. Click OK. Now, don't alter this setting, okay? This top right edge marked, fine. Screen recorder, okay. Your video, all these settings, don't change anything here. Okay, just move out. Now, for you to do your screen recording, you will swipe like this. Good. Okay, meaning that you swipe your top right. Okay, swipe. Yes. To record your video, you click on this circle here, this circle, okay? All right, that's what you will click to record. Then this, okay, let's swipe again. So now let's set, go to the setting for the timeout. Change the setting to 5 seconds. 5 seconds, good. Now let's start by clicking this circle here. Let's just test it. Allow. Yes, start. So you see that is just a test. Now if you want to do your main screen record, you start with clicking on it now. So you see how it is. Okay, you see how it is. To stop it, right now, anything you do now will be displayed on the screen. Okay, so to stop your screen recorder, you swipe to the right again, and you click on this red circle here. Good. Now you have stopped your screen recording. That is how you record